And time now for a look at some of the major stories from around the world.
11 people were killed in multiple strikes on 3 alleged drug trafficking boats in the Eastern Pacific and Caribbean. The U.S. military says of the 11 males killed, 4 died on the first vessel in the Eastern Pacific, 4 on a second vessel also in the Eastern Pacific, and 3 on a third vessel in the Caribbean. The Trump administration has carried out more than 40 lethal strikes on alleged drug boats in the Caribbean Sea and Pacific Ocean since September. According to the U.S. Southern Command, intelligence confirmed the vessels were transiting along known narco-trafficking routes and were engaged in narco-trafficking operations. No U.S. military personnel were injured in the operation conducted late on Monday night. And U.S. civil rights leader Jesse Jackson died Tuesday morning, surrounded by relatives. That's according to a statement released by his family. The cause of death has not been released, but Jackson had been diagnosed with progressive supranuclear palsy and was in hospital late last year. Tributes poured in for the prominent activist who twice ran to be the Democrats' presidential nominee, including from the first black U.S. president, Barack Obama. He was 84. And those were some of the major stories from around the world. I'm Hal Shaneberg.